In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print shipping labels on Shopify. By the end, you'll understand where to set up shipping, how to choose your couriers, and what you need to access label printing. First, head to the Shopify website and open your store's admin in a web browser. Once you're in the admin, look toward the lower left corner and click Settings. This is your control center for store-wide preferences. From here, select Shipping and Delivery. This page is where Shopify organizes everything related to how you ship orders, the rates customers see at checkout, and which couriers you use to fulfill those orders. Inside Shipping and Delivery, review your shipping profiles and zones to make sure the regions you ship to are covered. Under each zone, you can set shipping rates, flat rates, weight-based rates, or calculated carrier rates if that's available to you. Clear, accurate rates prevent surprises at checkout and make fulfillment smoother later on when you're printing labels. Next, choose your shipping couriers. Depending on your location, you may see options from Shopify Shipping, which offers built-in access to popular carriers with discounted rates. Pick the carriers and services you plan to use and set your default package sizes and weights so label prices calculate correctly. If your business uses custom packaging, save those dimensions here to avoid manual edits each time you fulfill an order. Take a moment to verify your ship from address as well, since that information appears on your labels and affects pricing. At this point, you may notice a prompt indicating that label printing requires a plan upgrade. To successfully access shipping labels, follow the on-screen prompt to upgrade your Shopify plan. Review the features and costs, choose the plan that fits your shipping volume and needs, and confirm the upgrade. This unlocks the ability to purchase and print labels directly through Shopify for supported carriers and regions. A few quick tips before you move on. Make sure your printer can handle the label format you prefer. 4x6 thermal labels are standard, but you can also print to letter-size paper if needed. Keep package weights and dimensions accurate to avoid carrier adjustments. If you ship internationally, take note of customs details in your settings so documentation is produced alongside the label. And remember, availability of specific couriers and calculated rates depends on your country and plan. Once your shipping settings are in place and your plan is updated, Shopify will allow you to purchase and print shipping labels during order fulfillment, using the carriers and rates you just set up. Save your changes and you're ready to ship efficiently.